As we age, our bodies change in ways we don't always expect. The things we used to do easily, like walking upstairs, lifting groceries, or even getting out of bed in the morning, start to feel just a little harder. Our strength fades slowly, our energy drops, and recovery takes longer than it used to. But what if I told you that something as simple as 1 spoon before bed could actually help your body rebuild muscle while you sleep? Yes, while you rest, your body can be hard at work repairing and strengthening itself if you give it the right kind of nutrition at the right time. Tonight, we'll explore the simple science behind nighttime muscle repair, what foods silently damage your muscles as you age, and how one easy bedtime habit can make you feel stronger, steadier, and more energized every morning. After the age of 55, our bodies begin to lose about 1% of muscle mass every year, a natural process called sarcopenia. It might not sound like much, but over time it adds up. You start noticing weaker legs, slower recovery after chores, or that uncomfortable stiffness when you wake up. The main reason? As we get older, our body's ability to build and repair muscle decreases. Hormones like growth hormone and testosterone decline, and we don't absorb protein as efficiently as we used to. This means our muscles don't get the materials they need to stay firm and strong. But here's the good news. You can slow this down and even reverse it by giving your body what it needs before bed. That's because muscle repair doesn't happen while we're awake and active. It happens while we sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, the signal that tells your cells to start repairing and rebuilding tissue. This is the body's natural recovery time. But it only works efficiently if your bloodstream has enough amino acids and protein available to fuel that repair. And that's where our 1 spoon before bed comes in. Now you might be wondering, what is this spoon? It's not a supplement or a fancy powder. It's something you probably already have in your kitchen. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or milk. These foods are rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein found in dairy. Unlike whey protein, which digests quickly, casein is absorbed slowly over several hours, providing your body with a steady supply of amino acids all night long. That means, as you sleep, your muscles are continuously being fed and repaired. In fact, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed casein protein before bed increased their overnight muscle protein synthesis by up to 22% compared to those who didn't eat anything. And the best part? You don't need much. Just 1 spoon of Greek yogurt or a few bites of cottage cheese before bed can make a noticeable difference in your strength and recovery. It's a small step, but it helps your body rebuild muscle, stabilize blood sugar, and even improve sleep quality, thanks to tryptophan and calcium that calm your nervous system. However, while 1 spoon can help repair muscle, some foods silently damage it, and many of these are common in everyday diets. Let's look at 3 of the biggest culprits. First, refined carbs and sugary snacks, things like white bread, pastries, and sweetened cereals. They spike blood sugar and create inflammation, which slows muscle repair. Second, processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, or deli meats. They're high in sodium and nitrates that dehydrate muscles and make it harder for your body to use protein effectively. And third, soda and artificial sweeteners. They don't just harm your metabolism, they also reduce calcium in your bones, weakening the foundation your muscles rely on. When you eat these foods regularly, your body stays in a low-level state of inflammation, and that directly interferes with muscle recovery during sleep. So if you truly want to get stronger, it's not just about what you add, it's also about what you remove. Now, let's talk about how to make that 1 spoon before bed even more powerful. You can pair it with a few simple, nourishing foods that work in harmony with your body. Try Greek yogurt with chia seeds. The yogurt provides slow digesting protein, while chia seeds add omega-3 fats and magnesium, both great for reducing soreness and inflammation. Or try cottage cheese with a few almonds. You'll get casein from the cheese and vitamin E from almonds, a combination that helps repair muscle cells damaged during daily activity. A comforting option is warm milk with a pinch of turmeric. It's a traditional remedy that truly works. The milk provides protein and tryptophan for better sleep, and turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation and supports joint health. Another gentle snack? A small banana with a spoon of natural peanut butter. The potassium and magnesium relax your muscles, while the protein keeps your blood sugar stable through the night. And if dairy doesn't work for you, don't worry. Plant-based proteins like soy or pea protein can also provide a slow, steady release of amino acids while you sleep. The key is timing. Enjoy your bedtime snack about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. That way, your body starts digesting it just as your deep sleep cycle begins. Now, let's look a little deeper at what's actually happening inside your body while you sleep. When you drift off, your body switches into an anabolic state, meaning it's building, not breaking down. Your cells repair damage, rebuild muscle fibers, and strengthen connective tissue. But this only happens efficiently when nutrients are available. If there's not enough protein in your system, your body may actually break down existing muscle to meet its needs. That's why researchers at Maastricht University discovered that older adults who had a serving of casein before bed experienced significantly greater overnight muscle repair compared to those who didn't eat anything at all. Your muscles are being rebuilt quietly, naturally, while you dream. That one spoon before bed gives your body the building blocks it needs to grow stronger every night. And if you combine that with a few healthy bedtime habits, you can boost your recovery even more. Start with light stretching or a few minutes of gentle yoga before bed. This helps improve blood flow, loosen stiff muscles, and prepare your body for rest. Next, dim your lights and turn off screens at least 30 minutes before sleep. The blue light from phones or TVs can reduce melatonin, the hormone that helps trigger deep, restorative sleep. Go to bed at the same time each night. Your body loves rhythm, and when your sleep cycle is regular, your natural growth hormone peaks right on schedule. And finally, stay hydrated, but not overloaded. A small glass of water about an hour before bed keeps your muscles hydrated without waking you up through the night. When you put these small habits together, a calm bedtime routine, a slow digesting protein source, and an anti-inflammatory diet, you create the perfect environment for your body to rebuild itself naturally. So remember, staying strong as you age doesn't require extreme workouts or expensive supplements. It starts with simple, consistent care. A spoon of Greek yogurt or cottage cheese before bed, balanced whole foods during the day, and peaceful habits that let your body do what it was designed to do: repair, strengthen, and renew. Because even after 60, 70, or beyond, your body still has the remarkable ability to heal and grow stronger if you simply give it the right support. So tonight, take that one spoon before bed and let your body rebuild itself while you sleep. You'll wake up feeling stronger, steadier, and ready for a brand new day.